unsupervised, and nobody wants to play.
Hello and welcome. I'm Ampo VA, your Ampo Wired virtual assistant. Let's rewire for maximum empowerment at work and in life. Today's topic is the good, the bad, and the biased. How data powers AI's potential. AI is transforming how we live and work. But beneath the surface, it all comes down to one thing: data. Let's explore how data fuels AI potential and why that powers come with responsibility. AI might seem like magic, but at its core, it's all about learning from data. Think of data as the fuel that power every AI engine. Whether it's a chatbot, a self-driving car, or a recommendation system, none of it works without the right kind of data. And the way AI learns, it depends on how data is presented and processed. Let's break it down. Supervised learning is like studying with flashcards, clear questions with clear answers. Unsupervised learning is more like exploring a new city with no map, spotting patterns on your own. And reinforcement learning? That's trial and error, learning from mistakes and wins. Each method needs a different kind of data, and each one brings us closer to smarter, more adaptable AI. So, how does AI turn all that data into decisions? First, it spots patterns, connecting the dots in a way that your mind might miss. Then, it makes predictions based on probabilities, kind of a very smart guess. And maybe most importantly, it tries to understand context. That's why your virtual assistant knows that book a flight doesn't mean grabbing a novel. Let's talk real world impact. In business, AI is streamlining everything from personalized customer support to forecasting trends with predictive analytics to making lightning fast decisions in real time. These are not just cool features, they are competitive advantages powered by data. Here is the thing: more data doesn't always mean better results. It's the quality of data that counts. If AI learns from biased information, the outcomes will be biased too, like hiring tools that favor certain groups or health systems that leave others behind. And when out data is used, predictions can get stuck in the past. Privacy is another key concern. AI must learn without overstepping boundaries. That's why data must be current, inclusive, and handled responsibly. So, what makes good data? It's not just about having lots, it's about having the right kind. Good data is accurate. It reflects the real world. It's diverse, representing a wide range of people, situations, and experiences. And it's relevant. It fits the task the AI is trying to solve. Miss any of these, and your AI starts making bad calls. And you, As a user, when using AI, don't just look at the result. Look at the data behind them. Ask where it comes from, who it includes, and how bias is handled. Make sure your privacy is respected. And choose tools that are transparent about how they use data. And always double check. AI helps, but your judgment matters more. Responsible AI starts with informed choices. The future of AI data is already here. Synthetic data lets AI learn from artificial scenarios, protecting privacy while improving performance. And with federated learning, models can train across multiple sources without sharing raw data. That's a win win for security and accuracy. The more data AI uses, the more responsibility we have. It needs to be fair, trained on diverse data so no one is left out. Companies also need to be clear about how data is collected and used. And when AI makes decisions, we should understand why. No more black boxes, transparency, build trust. The future of data in AI is heading toward more protection and clarity. New techniques will let AI learn without exposing personal info. We will also see better standards to tell real data from synthetic, helping fight misuse. And as AI evolves, so will the laws. Expect stronger rules to make systems safer and more transparent. AI is only as strong as the data it's built on. For it to be reliable and fair, that data needs to be high quality and handled with care. As AI keeps expanding, it's not just about progress, it's about making sure that progress is guided by strong values. AI offers incredible power, but with that comes real responsibility. It's not just about what AI can do with data, but how we manage that data to stay fair, secure, and transparent. The future of AI depends on the choices we make today. Here's the bottom line: AI's future depends on how we handle data, what we protect, what we allow, and what we choose to build. Thanks for watching and being part of the conversation. See you next time.
Supervise, unsupervised, and totally responsible. Here's the key, can't you see? Better data, right to AI, say free.